close to distinct sound is produced, which is called as heartbeat. Normally, the person heartbeat is average something 72%, 72 per 72 times per minute. Now, what is pulse? The arteries have elastic muscular walls that expand every time when blood is forced into aorta. Due to the contraction of left ventricle of heart, this can be felt as a throbbing in some of the arteries found just below the skin of it's called pulse. This pulse can be easily felt by pressing your finger gently over an artery on the wrist along the side of the thumb. You can also count your heartbeat by feeling your pulse. And how to do this? In an average pulse rate of a normal healthy person in adult, it is something like 72%. So what you have to do for counting your heartbeat is first you climb. What you have to do is the pulse rate increases of a human being always, right? It will be not always the same thing. It will be changing. When you climb the stairs, you run and your pulse rate increases. Even pulse rate can increase if the person is sitting, if the person is sleeping. Even that time pulse rate can heartbeat can increase. So now how to count your pulse? That first count your pulse in 15 seconds, okay, and multiply it by 4. And what does this gives? This gives you an average pulse rate in 1 minute. Means your heartbeat rate only, it is called as. So here, this is the activities here. It's given. You just see this and to try it, you will definitely get it a good result. It is an activity given for children to understand. So the doctor counts the pulse of an aligned person to get an idea about a patient heartbeat. Very low pulse rate may indicate poor functioning of heart. Faster heart beat is usually indication of hypertension or fever. Stethoscope is an instrument that amplifies the sound of heartbeat and is used to hear heartbeats in the chest by placing its chest piece at an appropriate place. Blood pressure. The blood pressure exerted by the body on the walls of the arteries while the flowing through them is called blood pressure. So what is blood pressure? The blood pressure exerted on the blood on the walls of arteries while flowing through them is called as blood pressure. And to count this blood pressure, there is an instrument called as, what the name is this by? Sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong, but see, spinemanometer. So actually we normally call it in our daily lives as a BP machine. BP, blood pressure, BP machine. The normal levels of blood pressure of a healthy person is something 120 upon 80 minute per minute. So rise in blood pressure above 140 divided by 90 is known as hypertension. And it should be not low also, or it should be not correct also. 1-2 it can means like this only. It should be 1-2 something. It can be like, it should be not like this. It should be not low also. It should be not more also. So high blood pressure and the normal is called as hypotension. Low blood pressure. So blood groups. As you all know that there are 3 types of blood groups: A, B, and AB, O. Wait, let me tell you. A plus, A negative, A positive, B negative, B positive, AB negative, AB positive, O negative, O positive. Like these types of they are. So now AB, this AB positive blood group, which is an universal acceptor. Means you now, example. Let me tell you that you are an AB positive blood group is yours, and mine is B positive. I can give you blood, and you are accepted because you are universal acceptor, right? And means you can accept. And but now, like, I am example, I am B positive, and you are AB, and you cannot give me your AB blood group. I need the person's blood who is having B positive. So like this. So AB and O positive. O positive. What is O positive? It is a universal donor. Now I have a B positive. So O positive can give me blood, but O positive cannot take the blood of mine. The blood the person who is having O positive can only take the blood of whose blood group is O positive. So see, it is a universal donor. So now here are some blood donation. What are the good effects of blood donation? It actually, above 18 years old, who are like 18, 21, who are something like that, 21 years old, who have a good blood and good circulation of blood in their body, they actually have to give their blood. Through what, now new blood cells grow, new blood cells come in their body, and this is a good kind. So you have to always donate your blood. So if you give your blood, you are known as donor. Yes, known as drawn from a healthy person is called as donor, so that it can be to someone who needs it during the surgery or medical treatment. Normally, a pint of blood for 20 ml is withdrawn from a donor at a given time. Blood bank is a place where blood is collected from donors. It is stored and preserved to be later given by a person who is required that blood. So here is that what are the things that you can do to keep your heart healthier. So you can, I hope you can read it, right? You have to just read it and follow it every day. So it is an important to take care of your heart, right? It is important to take care of one's health to protect them from heart diseases like heart attack. Eating healthy food and regular exercise should become healthy habits that one should develop early life. Obesity or excessive weight is a very common problem nowadays, and the common cause of diseases, especially heart diseases. Playing games is a good form of exercise. It keeps us to keep active and happy. Regular walking, jogging, cycling, doing any of the aerobic exercise, and regular avoid too much of oily food, fried, this means eating like too much, morning to night. You should be little lowered off. You eat this. We make at home French fries. We make so many things that all should be avoided. Eating plenty of fiber containing foods such as whole grains, cereals, oats should be more. You should eat your home food. You should not eat outside food like you eat different like pav bhaji, vada pav. I'm not saying that you don't eat. You have to eat that all things to enjoy your life. But eat once in a week is enough, right? Once in a week, it's too much if you eat once in a week for your body. Avoid eating excessive amount of sweet foods. Too much of sugar in the body is a major cause of obesity. Yes, you have to not eat much sugar. If you eat more sugar, it's actually more, it increases your sugar. Like, even there's also disease sugar. One should not have much sugar, avoid eating sugar, because if you eat too much of sugar in your body, it may cause a disease which is obesity, right? So here are the review questions. So let me just have you a look of it. I have marked on it. So here are they. So by the way, I have not yet I have not yet done this, but 100% now when next month I will find out the answers now, and I'll when I'll be teaching the next chapter, which is diseases. That time I'll show you. Before starting the chapter, I'll show you this, or I'll make a separate video upon these answers, these question and answers, short answers. Upon the whole short answers only, I'll make a particular video through which you can get these answers. Okay. So thanks for watching, whoever watched this video, and please make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.